Hello everyone, today on American Papa Cooking, haven't did a cooking video in a while. Today we're making a shrimp scampi. Here's some of my seasonings. Italian seasoning is right there. Garlic, butter, paprika, capers, some white wine, olive oil. And over here, I'm going to use this type of noodle. This is what we're starting with in the beginning, and I'll show you what I'm doing as I go. First thing I'm doing is getting this pan hot, which is right about now. So I'm going to put some oil in it. Next step, I'm adding the shrimp. So I'm not going to cook them all the way, almost till right till they're done. And I'm going to take them out and I'm going to put them back in after I generate a sauce from all the juices. Shrimp's out. We got the butter and what the shrimp left behind. Now, like I said, they're not fully cooked, but they will when I add them back into the sauce I want to make. Here we go. Get this baby going. Adding some cheap wine now. Let that cook off. Get my Italian seasonings in there. Look the red you see in there, there's a little paprika. And I kind of do my own thing. This is shrimp broth from yesterday that I'm adding in there. Putting the shrimp in there now, back in there. That's about it. Now I just got to throw the pasta in. I'll give you pictures of that in a little bit. I'm out.